think of the hometown of my youth, all I seem to think of is dust. When I think of dust, I think of the marigolds that I have ruined when I was when I was maturing. I always felt sorry towards Miss Lottie because I ruined her dear marigolds, who she treasured the most. I wondered why she always treasured them.
You want to go throw some rocks at Miss Lottie?
No,
Why not?
I don't want to.
Come on, you little chicken.
Fine.
All right, let's go. What are you doing here?
Old witch fell in a ditch, picked up a penny and thought she was rich.
Stop it! Stop it!
Mother and father were arguing due to their poverty.
Honey, Mrs. Ellis said that Mr. Ellis would be willing to give you his old fur coat. Isn't that great?
So what?
I just think that's great that you can, get a free coat.
Well, I'm not fine with that.
Why?
I can barely make enough money for the family, for God's sake.
I know, but, he's offering to give you a coat.
Damn his money, damn his house, damn his land.
Elizabeth was in her room and upset about hearing the argument.
Why are they arguing?
Elizabeth woke at 4 a.m. She had a breakdown.
Elizabeth went to Miss Lottie's house to take out her frustration on the marigolds.
I hate these marigolds.
Hey, what are you doing?
Miss Lottie.
Elizabeth had grown depressed because her parents started fighting. She was trying to mature and grow up, and she felt much guilt for what she had done to Miss Lottie.
I feel so sad.